LexCon Prime here on another day. I had a special for you guys today, but that won't come yet until right after this video, so let's get right into this video. Oh. Anything we want to say to the viewers this morning? Okay guys, the whole situation on my truck. As you guys just saw in just a little bit of a glimpse, my truck and my mom's car are, the hoods are up, but for some reason in my truck, when it hits like a really low temperature, it will not start at all. Black. Yep. Black and red. Yep, we're good to go. So yeah, guys, clearly, my truck will not start this morning. I don't know why. And I'm pretty sure Dad will probably like to know about this one.
Because your battery's going bad.
Huh?
It's because your battery's going bad.
Yeah. It is mainly the batteries, but yeah. We're having a little bit of problems on getting this damn thing started. That's 1 degree, damn. So yeah, guys, that's actually the temperature what we got. Fucking below freezing. Oh fuck, we running. Not yet. First run, not so well. Yeah, guys, that's our whole situation of what we got. Just a whole lot of something. Excuse me for a second, guys. What?
Give me a couple more.
Still nothing? Damn, I thought that truck would start by now. What the hell are you doing? Playing with the cat?
Yeah.
Come on, did you know there's minus 1 degrees outside now? That's how cold it is outside. That's the reason why my truck's not starting.
She already awake or something?
She's already been awake since I just got up.
Tell Tyler that. Hey, it's started. I'm not going to turn it off because it could get colder and then your van won't start.
Exactly. Well, at least your car will be warmed up by the time you guys leave. That'll be nice. Probably the good benefits about getting the car jump-started. Alright, I'm in outside.